you guys, so I know I look crusty and dusty, but that's okay. We're gonna go ahead and get into this wash day today. So I still have my bonnet on. Let's go ahead and take this off and see what we're working with for the day. Okay, what's this? Oh, look at that. Look at that, lint. So first what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is shake my hair out. I usually go in with apple cider vinegar after I wash and let it sit for a few minutes. But what I'm gonna try today, I'm gonna put apple cider vinegar and just a couple drops of tea tree oil into this little spray bottle and mix it with some water. And I'm just gonna spray that on my roots and let that sit for maybe about 10 minutes before I wash to see if that actually gives me an easier wash, if this helps clarify my scalp a little bit better. So 1, 2. So about 3 drops is what flew up out of there. Then we're just gonna fill the rest up with water. Okay. So first, let me give you guys a close up of my hair right now before I do anything. So my last wash was on October 5th. It is currently November 5th. And my last retwist was September 22nd. I'm still debating today if we're gonna retwist or not. I don't know. So, ooh. Shake it up. Gotta take a little bit. Open this door back up. A little ventilation. So that's good to go now. While we're waiting for this 10 minutes to pass, I just want to show you guys what I'm actually going to be using to wash today. And I just want to explain because it may look difficult, but it's really not, I promise. I like to go in first with black soaps, and this is just the MJ Organic brand. Usually I use the Dr. Bronner's, the Peppermint, which is the blue one, but I just ran out. So I have a little drop of this rose one that I'm going to use. And then I have this Taliah Waajid Total Body Black Earth Shampoo. What I usually do is I mix the two of these. And as you can see, I'm running low on this too. So just add the water, as you can see. Let's shake it up. So that's it for our wash. That's what we're gonna be using. Next time we're gonna be in the shower. just going to show you guys my hair and then show you guys how I moisturize real quick. And I've determined that I'm not retwisting. I just don't want to. You're kidding me. You are kidding me. There's soap still in my hair. I'm just gonna rinse my hair again, y'all. Hopefully that's better. Yeah, look at all these freaking hair bulbs. But Instagram helped me out. They told me what they were. Enough chit chat, let's get into this moisture routine. This is my aloe juice, rose water, and glycerin, and my peppermint oil mix. So we just gonna spray some of this on. And I bought me one of them good spray bottles last night, so I'm about to upgrade. Now, I'm just going to oil my hair. And I feel like I can spoil myself because I don't really do a lot when I, throughout like the regular days, my normal routine. I usually only moisturize like 2 times a week. I think I'm gonna bump that up to like 3. So I'm gonna use 2 different things that I normally don't use. No, this I normally don't use. This one I use a lot, just not all the time. This is my white rice powerful growth oil. This encourages longer and fuller hair. The brand is like Ippy. Sorry, it's not focusing. I've actually had this since my last set. I bought this like right before my Lociversary, my 4-year Lociversary actually. It says white rice is full of rich nutrients that promote the natural hair to grow longer and fuller. Also, it manages dry and damaged hair. And the ingredients in here are white rice, rice bran oil, tea tree oil, rosemary oil, clary sage oil, and lavender oil. And that's it. That's it. I'm going with this first. Just put this on my scalp. And then what I'm gonna do is also go in with my cannabis hemp and black castor oil. This is a stimulating growth oil with biotin and aloe in it. The ingredients in this has a few more ingredients, but it's still all, this is natural, it's 100% natural. So this has the castor seed oil, hemp oil, my hair is really dripping. There's rose hip oil in here. There's aloe, leaf extract, coffee seed oil. That's interesting. I think I ever noticed that. But this promotes healthy hair, nail, brow, lash growth. 72 hours time release moisturization, improve dry and itchy scalp conditions. Okay, so let's go ahead and oil. Squeeze my hair up some more. Dripping too much. And the directions on here, I don't know what they're talking about, but it literally says apply 1 to 2 drops to the scalp and then massage it in. Use twice daily to achieve fast results. Obviously, I don't use it twice daily. Probably only use this thing about a total of 10 times since I've had it in the last almost year. But 1 to 2 drops is not going to cover my head. So, and then we're going to follow up with our cannabis hemp and black castor oil. Now, this dropper they done provided is really whack. So I gotta like, I don't know what that war cry was. All right, so that's good. And then I'm also gonna put some of this just on the length of my locks too. That cannabis hemp and black castor oil. Not a whole lot, but all right, guys, so that's it. Like I said, I'm not even retwisting. This is just how we're gonna rock. I may retwist before Thanksgiving, maybe, but that's still up in the air. Hopefully, you guys learned something today or got you some new products that you can try. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing because I know you did. I will see you guys in the next video.